Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this karaoke machine that this brand sent to me for the video. I've been trying this one already, and I have to say that it's so fun and so easy to use. It comes with so many good things. Like, for example, I mean, this is going to be silly, but if you want to take it with you to the beach, to the park, to friends and family houses, it comes with this shoulder strap. And by the way, it also comes with two microphones that they are rechargeable via USB-C. One of them is on already. I'm going to set up the other one right here, which comes with a microphone holder. And once that you turn it on, you're gonna see that comes with many lights over there, and that means that it's on Bluetooth mode in case that you want to pair with your phone and use this one as just as a speaker. I'm not gonna be able to show you that because I can't put any music in this video, but the best. Whoa. Okay, so that one was, oh yeah, I say that it was on, but again, it is really easy to use. You can see how compact it is, and it comes with so many things. Like, for example, you can change the tone with that.
Male voice.
You have male voice, which is this is gonna be me.
Female voice.
Female voice.
Female
voice. Oh my god. Baby.
Baby voice.
Baby voice.
This is so fun. And then you can
Monster
turn it.
voice.
What that? Oh. This is so awesome. And then there's more? Oh, there's more. Okay, I want to turn it off. Okay, perfect. So and then you can just turn it off. And it also comes with reverb. So this is actually I'm gonna put my microphone over here. Let's actually unclip my microphone. Sorry about the noise.
And this way you can see how easy it is to use, and for sure my microphone is over there picking it up all this noise. But again, you have the reverb, you have the light, so you can keep changing the light modes just with this one, and pulse mode and music mode, RGB. You have the vocal cut. With the vocal cut, what it's going to use is just cut your voice just like that, without any echo or anything. But again, I think they're having the most
Male voice.
like this one, for example, so you can see that it's a male voice.
Female voice.
Female voice.
Baby voice. Monster voice. Karaoke mode.
I think we are pretty much done with this one. It's so good, so fun to use, so easy to use. You have the two microphones, you have the lights, you have the Bluetooth speaker. This thing is a must-have to have fun with friends and family. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.